Hi, and in this video, I'm going to share 3 keys to unlock his heart. Hi there, Matt Shaffer, your empowerment, connection, and relationship coach. So excited to share with you 3 keys that are going to help you unlock his heart and really see yourself and see your relationship in a different way. I love using this metaphor with my clients, and so I'm going to lay it on you in just a second. But before I do, take a second, hit that little subscribe button. I'm always uploading new stuff. Love to have you as part of the tribe. And now let's dive into this, right? So I want you to think of any man that you want to be in relationship with, or not even a man, but just your relationship, your connection with your dream partner as a lock. Okay. And then you are the key. So, what characteristics does a key have that helps it take a lock and open it, right? The first way to unlock his heart is to own your edges. So think about a key. A key, when you look at the surface of it, it's got all those different edges and bumps and irregular surfaces. And they don't really make any sense when you just look at them. But when you stick them into the lock, right? When you stick a key into the lock that it was designed for, that it was made to be connected to, it just flows right into it, doesn't it? It's a perfect fit. So you are like that key in that you are a unique, beautiful human being. You have your own edges, you have your own unique facets that are very individual to you. And part of this is you are not for everyone, right? You are not a key for everyone, but there is a person or persons that are a perfect fit for your unique edges, right? So be unapologetic. Own who you are. Own what makes you different and recognize that that's part of your brilliance and that's what makes you the unique and powerful key that you are. Now, the second key to unlock his heart as a key is to not be afraid to go deep. Because what do you have to do with a key in order for it to unlock a lock? It needs to go deep within that lock. So when you are connecting with a man that you want to build a relationship with and a heart that you want to unlock, don't be afraid to go deep. Don't be afraid to ask him powerful questions. Don't be afraid to really dive in and really demonstrate what vulnerability is in your connection with him, right? Because by you doing this, by you not being afraid to go deep, you're actually going to be creating that connection with him that's going to help him unlock. And so, where can you do this? You can do this in conversation. You can do this in the way that you express your feelings to him. In every aspect of your relationship, you have the opportunity to take things deeper. And so, I invite you to see yourself as a key and just ask yourself, what would it look like to go deeper with my partner in a way that's going to help open his heart and unlock him? And the last way to unlock his heart as a key is to be open and ready to move with him. Because how does a key open and unlock a lock? After it penetrates, right? After it goes deep into the lock, it turns and it opens, it pulls with the lock, and they move together. So, what does that look like for you in relationship? You get to be connected to your partner and to move with him and to be dynamic, right? Because your partner, as you get vulnerable with him, as you begin to open up with him, you're going to get to move with him because maybe he's going to have some resistance. Maybe some stuff is going to come up for him, especially if he's got issues around vulnerability. It's going to be up to you to be willing to move with him, be willing to dance with him, and turn with him as he unlocks and opens up to you, right? Because chances are he, as a lock, might be pretty fixed. He might have gotten a little rusty. So, you, as his key, by owning your edges, being willing to go deep with him, and then turning and moving with him in your dynamics with him, in the relationship, in the shares, in the conversation, you're going to unlock his heart and recognize that you are a key that isn't supposed to fit everyone. But there is a person and there are people out there that are a perfect fit for your unique edges. So be in ownership of who you are, get out there and create a great, unlocked, open-hearted relationship with the men that really light you up. So I hope this resonated with you. If it did, take a second, hit that little subscribe button, and don't forget to click the link in the comments or caption. I've created a great training that I guarantee you is going to make a huge difference in your life and in your relationships. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time on my YouTube channel. Bye-bye.